OpenAI came up with ChatGPT last year, around January, February timeframe. By this February, OpenAI came with Sora. Sora, for those who don't know what Sora is, Sora is when you give a text prompt, it'll create a video. It'll create a video. So you can say, do me a video of a young man walking on the streets of Sydney, or on, you can give a street, you can say George Street, on George Street in Sydney, next to Town Hall, dressed in a brown leather jacket with black shoes, blue jeans, and looking smart. And with a beautiful girl in his arm, and he's walking towards Circular Quay. There are city lights and show us lots of people, and it'll create a video. You can tell what type of music you want, what type of, if you want birds in the background, it'll create that entire video just based on that text prompt. Now think of this revolution. What will happen in another year? Is Netflix going to be still there in 5 years' time? What's going to happen to people like Mr. Beast and all these massive YouTube influencers who spend millions of dollars? Mr. Beast says he spends over $1 million on one of his videos, but he knows if he spends $1 million on a video, within the first week, there are millions of people viewing that video. Not just Mr. Beast. I saw some person I don't even follow had put on a video a week ago, and 1 million viewers was on there. So Mr. Beast probably gets that in probably a few hours. Okay, he probably gets 100 million in a week. So that's how these guys are making money. So now, is this going to ruin their business model? Because some young person can create a massive video using Sora, or not just Sora. I mean, there are so many other video creation tools that are coming. There are, lots of image creation tools that are coming. There are, you could write a blog just giving a few words. We know that. You've already done it probably on ChatGPT. So how is this area going to change? And how is that going to impact us? It will have some impact. We have to keep looking at it. What we do at NetStripes is this. We try to take technology and make it simple and meaningful for businesses and business owners to use it to their advantage. So we will continue to do that. We have people who are at the cutting edge, right at any given point, researching stuff, me included. I know what's happening. I keep in touch, but there are much smarter people at NetStripes, much younger people who are, at any given time, writing code, we've built our NetStripes platform has ChatGPT and OpenAI API integrated into it, so that our customers don't have to go to ChatGPT, but on the platform, they can say, write me a blog on these topics, and it'll write a blog. Or it'll say, you could even say, what are the best 5 topics that I could write on for my building company? And it'll give you the best 5 topics, okay? It'll also use all the data it knows about you because you've done the strategy with NetStripes. So it'll have all that data, and based on that, it'll give you. So ChatGPT won't have that, right? So ours will be more powerful because we have more data about you on that system. And so that's how we expect to be in the forefront in helping business owners.